Ready to send money globally? Let's create your Wise account. Go to the Wise website and tap register in the top right corner. For quick access, you can choose sign in with Google or continue manually. Next, select your account type, either personal for individual use or business for company transactions. Now, choose your country and enter your phone number. Wise will send you a verification code, so enter it to proceed. Create a secure password and set up your username and date of birth. Finally, enter your address to complete your profile. If you don't receive the verification code, check your spam folder or try resending it. Just sign up, comment below and let us know your experience. And that's it. You are now ready to use Wise. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.